What makes Luxury Bath of New Jersey and Pennsylvania so different than our competitors? It simply starts with manufacturing the best products. We offer the newest technology in the industry.
The bathroom remodeling industry has been the same for a very long time. People have been installing cast iron tubs and tile walls for over 100 years. It's only been the last 30 years or so that other options have become available.
Since tile and grout is notorious for maintenance needs, fiberglass units were invented to make maintaining them easier. Builders loved them because they were inexpensive and easier to install than tile. Unfortunately, they had many problems with staining and discoloring. But the biggest problem is that they have a tendency to wear out and crack.
Acrylic became popular because it didn't have the discoloration issues of fiberglass, and it was easier to clean than tile, but it was usually very thin and flexible.
So most were typically installed over top of your existing tub or shower, which allowed an install in only a day. But that type of installation only concealed problems and led to mold growth underneath. At Luxury Bath, we didn't want to cover up problems, we wanted to resolve them. Each of our remodels start by completely removing the old tub or shower and walls.
Our Luxan wall system is a high-tech polymer. It is thick and strong. It's built to stand on its own and not need to go over top of an existing surface.
Our unique technology allows us to give the look and feel of real stone and tile products and still finish installation in as little as 1 day. We can even offer a complete bathroom remodel in as little as 2 days.
I'm Doug from Luxury Bath NJPA, and thank you for watching.
To learn more, go to luxurybathnjpa.com or call 1-800-351-4520 today.